Hey, what is going on everybody? So you have a Huawei Mate 20X and you want to know how to use the screen recording function. There's three ways to do it. It is a built-in function in these Huawei phones. Very convenient. I use it for a lot of gameplay. Anyways, there's three ways to do it. Okay, so the first way is a two-key combination. Is the volume up button and power button. You want to press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously. Okay, so let's do it. Volume up, power button. 1, 2, 3. Press and hold, and wait till you get this menu here that pops up. It says screen recording and it says enable microphone. You can leave it off or you can turn it on. If you leave it off, basically it's going to record any sound that's coming from your phone. Now, if you enable microphone, it's going to record any sound that's coming from your phone as well as you talking. And that's what I do when I'm doing gameplay and I'm recording this using the screen recorder on this phone. I like to have the sound of the game playing as well as me talking, okay? Anyways, let's just go ahead and press on start. So when you start recording, you always get this countdown here, 3, 2, 1. Top left-hand corner, you know that you're recording because it has a timer right here. And then from here, of course, you can go ahead and stop it. You can stop it up here, or you can use the same key combination again, the volume up and the power button, press and hold, and it's going to stop, and everything gets saved to your gallery. Okay. Now the second way to do it is basically double tapping with two knuckles. Okay. I didn't say double tap with one knuckle. If you double tap with one knuckle, it's going to take a screenshot. You want to be able to tap two knuckles on the glass at the same time, okay? So double tap. Oops, let me try it again. Double tap right there, and this pops on, and then you can go from there again. I'll go ahead and just press on start. You get the countdown again, and now, I mean, if you want to stop it, you have a bunch of ways that you can stop it. You can press up here. I think the easiest way is basically to press up here, but you can also use a double tap, or you can go ahead and use the two-key combination. Let me go ahead and stop this. And of course, it's saved to the gallery. Now, the third way is the way that I do it. It's just easy to remember. What you simply do is just swipe down here and make sure it's all the way down and look for screen recorder. Tap on screen recorder and there you go. Let me go ahead and make this one let me show you the gallery after I record this video here. So let me just go ahead and press on start here. And let's say I just want to send a friend how to get to a setting because he has the same phone too, okay? So just for example purposes. I'll press on start here and let me start talking. 3, 2, 1. Okay, Joe Blow, what you want to do is you want to go into your settings, and then from here you want to go into sound, and then from here you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down, and at the very bottom it says more sound settings. Tap on that. Okay, and then from here I can go ahead and stop it. I can stop it by simply pressing on here, and it saves to your gallery, which is the easiest way I think to do it. But you can also slide down, you can stop it from here, or you can do the two key combination, or you can basically double tap with two knuckles. That'll stop it as well. Now let me just go into my gallery here and I'll show you that last screen recorder video I just recorded here. So tap on gallery. Let me go to all photos here, and the last one up here is on the top left hand corner. Let me tap on that and press on play. Okay, Joe Blow, what you want to do is you want to go into your settings, and then from here you want to go into sound. So pretty simple, definitely convenient. Great that Huawei actually implements this into their phones, so you don't have to download any kind of third party or anything like that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helped you guys out, and I'll see you on the next one.